Yes, Commodore 64. This is my Commodore 64C, which is in really good condition. But I had a mailbag today and I got one of these. Ooh. This is something I've never owned. I've owned an Amiga 500, but not an Amiga 600. Now, this is a lot smaller. It's very much the same sort of size as the 64C. A lot heavier. More metal in it, I suppose. More moving parts. This feels very sturdy. It's one of these untested things. Void sticker's been broken, screw missing there. What's going on in the trapdoor? Does the trapdoor work the same way as the Amiga 500? Not sure. Alright, so we've got something in the trapdoor, that's good. I think I'll probably have to take that out before I open the rest of it. Okay, oh, lots of RAM. That's nice. Pretty. Old school. I mean, that's heavy in itself. Right, so what's in here? Let's have a look. I'm hoping there's a hard drive in here. It looks like it has been upgraded. But it's very, very clean. Hoping it's not been tinkered with, really. So I think you have to open this bit. Oh, hold on, no, there's another one there. This is so heavy. Okay, has that released it? Yeah. I think there's a there's two mysterious screws there. The warranty void there, but that's fine. Nothing under there. Oh, there you go. Just a little bit of a problem around there. Okay, so yeah. So I was told that there was a connector here at the base of the keyboard. So that's for the lights, and then hopefully this will open. Yeah. And what have we got? Well, we've got a hard drive in there. Excellent. This was what I never really had on my Amiga, so that's good. That's what I wanted to play with. Hopefully there's something good on there as well. These were the days when it wasn't obvious how big the hard drive was. He never told you. Quantum Daytona, it's not obvious, just here. Replaced with a compact 250 meg hard drive. 250 meg, wow. Be a lot of Amiga stuff on there though. So yeah, this is my new Amiga 600 to experiment with.